you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth for June. Do you want to know what we'll be making this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Simply Earth for June just arrived, and I'm really excited to see what recipes we're going to be making this month. So now they do always donate 13% to end human trafficking. So inside we'll know which organization they're using this month, but it's always to help end human trafficking. So they have this on their box. And here is the Simply Earth, and that is who packaged my box, which is Cheryl, aka Who Dat. Talking about Who Dat. So let's go ahead and slit her throat. Sorry, Cheryl, but the way your picture is right on the box is what I gotta do. So let's go ahead and get in here. That is what it looks like when you first open up the box. And this is sticker card they always give you, which I really, really love because it tells you what oils are in what. So if you make something and you have a little jar sitting around there and you're like, what concoction is in here? They have you covered because they tell you what is on here. You cut them out and you put them on the particular thing, or if you use just the oil by itself, here's just the oils, so you can always remember and know what you're working with. So I really, really like that. Then here is all of the recipes with some other information, which we will go over in just a second. And then down inside the box, that is what it looks like. So you have your 4 oils on this side. You always get 4 oils every month. And then you have the little extras on this side. And then there's a few things that you might have to supply, but it will tell you. So if you want to make that and there's something that you need to purchase, you can just go ahead and grab it. So this month they're making a difference with DTON NAAM. So that's how you say that. So that is the organization that they're working with this month and donating the 13% to end human trafficking, which that is amazing. For the months of May and June, your purchase is supporting the work of this company right there. Now there's a recipe. So let's go ahead and go over the oils that we have this month. So the first thing right here that I'm pulling out is cardamom. This one right here is for digestion, alertness, warming, pain relief, and decongestant. Always dilute before using on your skin. Kids safe 10 plus, pregnancy safe no, cat safe yes, and dog safe yes. Timber. This is for calm and support skin health. And always dilute before using on your skin, possibly phototoxic. I'm not sure what that means, but that says kids safe 10 plus, pregnancy safe no, cat and dog safe no. So this is not good to have around animals. The next one is bumps and boo-boos. This one kills germs and heals skin. It has lavender, tea tree, and lemon. Always dilute before using on your skin. That one also says the possibly phototoxic. Kids safe 2 plus, pregnancy safe yes, cat and dog safe no. So far only one of them is cat and dog safe. So if you do use oils, definitely check and see what is good and bad to use around kids, cats, and dogs, because they're all different. And the last one here is lavender. Lavender relieves pain, calms, kills germs, heals skin, deodorizes, and relieves allergies. Dilute before using on your skin. Kids safe 2 plus, pregnancy safe yes, cat safe no, dog safe yes. So those are the 4 oils that are in this month's box. Then the extras we have is straight aloe vera right there. So you have a thing full of aloe. Let's close that. And then we have dried calendula flowers. Common name is marigolds. I know marigold. I don't know about this calendula, but there's some marigolds. So then let's see what we're going to be making this month. Okay, so the first recipe we have is a burn salve. I'm not sure how you say that word. It says it takes 5 minutes to make. Shelf life is 1 year. You're going to use everything between this and the bonus box, which I'll get into towards the end. So to make this, you'll have everything included within this month's box and the bonus box. And they're all step-by-step instructions on how to make them. Then we have is a Digest Help Roll-On. 2 minutes time. Shelf life is 1 year, and everything you'll need will be included in this one as well. Then we have is we have a skin healing gel. This one is 1 minute to make, shelf life is 1 year, and everything is included. That's where the aloe comes into play, is on that recipe right there. Then we have is a no stress blend, 1 minute, 1 year shelf life, and everything is included in that blend right there. And it does tell you how to make a one-time blend, or if you would like to create a blend to have on hand. So if you make it once and you really like it, then you can go ahead and make the large portion with the bigger bottle that's in the bonus box and have it on hand. And then you can use your handy dandy sticker to put on the bottle so you know which blend that is. So then next we have is a sleek and smooth shaving butter. Takes 2 minutes, shelf life is 6 weeks, and you'll have everything included in this one as well. And then the last one is the calendula, the marigolds. Solar infused oil. Time 2 to 3 weeks. What? Shelf life is 1 year. 2 to 3 weeks? What do you have to, what? Let it sit for 2 to 3 weeks. Shake the mixture daily. So this one takes some time. I've never seen one take that much time. That's very interesting. And this, you'll have everything except a 6 to 8 ounce clear airtight jar and a cheesecloth or a fine mesh, and 3/4 cup approximately of avocado oil or another carrier oil. And there you have that recipe. So now a sneak peek for next month. The theme is Salon in a Box. Toxin-free nail and hair care. Ooh, that sounds very intriguing. That one you're gonna have 100% pure essential oils, rosemary, palmarosa, spearmint, and fit blend. Toxin-free recipes will be a cuticle oil, natural shampoo, a conditioner, a dry shampoo, a roll-on, and diffuser recipe. That sounds interesting. Extras will be natural shampoo base and a conditioner base. Things you'll need at home, so if you do want to prepare, you'll need cornstarch, cocoa powder, makeup brush, and a small sealable container to hold your recipes. Very simple. So if you get Simply Earth and you have any questions with any of the recipes, they do have forums that you can watch them make each recipe step by step. They're so simple. All the instructions are on here, but they also have all of their videos every single month. So if you have any questions, you can watch their video and see how they're made before you make them, or you can just hop on into the recipe and do the step-by-step instructions and make them. Now, every single month is a brand new theme with new oils and all new recipes. You always get 4 oils, you always get 6 recipes, and they're always different. And that's one thing that I really like, because they're not just sending you oils, here you go, have fun. No, they give you the tools and the knowledge and the recipes and the step-by-step instructions on what to do with them. If you don't want to make that recipe, you don't make it, but you can at least keep the cards. You can put them in, you can organize them any way you would like. And anytime you want to make them, you have that option. You have all the instructions and you know how to make them. So there's that. Now, Simply Earth, if you would like a little bit more information about them, I do have a code down below with the link. Follow that link and use SheCrafty free. SheCrafty free will get you a $40 gift card, which will be on a future purchase, and it'll get you the free bonus box at sign up. That free bonus box they do send has carrier oils, it has coconut oils, it has beeswax, it has the roller balls, the small little vial bottles. There's everything inside of that that you use alongside the boxes every month to make the recipes. So you get the free bonus box and you'll get the free $40 to use on a future purchase from their site. Now, Simply Earth, it will make your home natural. With our essential recipe box, it'll include 4 essential oils, natural ingredients, plus fun extras, $150 value in your box every month, and it's $39 per month. So it's $39, you get all of this stuff that's included, and it's free shipping to the United States. And again, SheCrafty free will get you that free bonus box with the $40 as well. This is sent to me for review, so thank you so much, Simply Earth, for sending me your amazing essential oil recipe box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it, and it gives you a nice way to make your home natural if you are into essential oils. So there's that. So you guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme and the recipes that they have included in this box to make? What do you think of next month's sneak peek theme? That sounds so interesting. Nail and hair care. Oh, can't wait. So comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew, out.